Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify integrate Discord bots with no-code workflows. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started, open your Discord application or website and log into your account. Navigate to the server where you want to add the bot. On the left-hand sidebar, click on your server name to open the drop-down menu. Select Server Settings to access your server configuration options. In the Server Settings menu, look for the Integrations tab and click on it. Here, you will see options for integrating bots and other services. To add a new bot, click on Create a webhook or choose any existing integrations. Fill in the details such as the name and channel for your webhook, then click Save Changes. Next, open your chosen no-code automation tool, such as Zapier, Integromat, or Automate.io. Create a new workflow or automation within the no-code platform. Select Discord as the app you want to connect with. Choose the action that you wish to perform with your Discord bot. Now, authenticate your Discord account by following the prompts. You will need to input the webhook URL you saved earlier into the automation tool. Configure the specific triggers and actions you want for your workflow. Test the automation to ensure that the bot responds as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to the workflow settings as needed. Once satisfied, activate your automation. Your Discord bot is now successfully integrated with your chosen no-code workflow. Monitor the bot's activity to ensure it performs as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.